bring you the latest AI news. OpenAI just launched ChatGPT search. Here, it's going to be able to compete against Google and Microsoft. I'm very curious as to what the platform looks like, so we're going to go check it out in this video. Let's check it out. So here, we're going to go ahead and enable ChatGPT search. Here, we'll click here. Now that I've clicked the globe, it says search. We'll have a few options that sort of recommend things that we can easily search, but I'm going to search my own thing. Let's search, what is the price of Tesla stock? Amazing. So here it says, as of market close on Friday, November 1st, 2024, Tesla was priced at $248.98 per share, reflecting a decrease of 92 cents, which is 0.37% from the previous day's close. Amazing. And look at this beautiful graph we have. Robinhood, watch out. This is brilliant. It also shows you where the sources came from. So if I click here, I can actually see the sources. And this is similar to Perplexity, but it actually generates multiple sources. That's amazing. Okay, what is the weather in Los Angeles, California? Amazing. It even gave me the entire forecast for the week. It also shows you exactly where it got the news from. I think that's brilliant. Go check it out if you haven't done so. In July, OpenAI announced it was beta testing a prototype of the search engine called SearchGPT. And now it's officially rolled the product into ChatGPT. This feature offers up-to-the-minute sports scores, stock quotes, news, weather, and way more than that. Powered by real-time web search and partnerships with news and data providers. This news comes after OpenAI closed its buzzy funding round earlier this month at a valuation of $157 billion. And it also received $4 billion revolving line of credit. So Sam Altman is on top of the world right now. Now let's try one more. Amazing. ChatGPT search is a feature integrated into OpenAI's ChatGPT, enabling AI to access and retrieve real-time information from the internet. This enhancement allows ChatGPT to provide up-to-date responses on topics such as current events, stock prices, and weather forecast, addressing the previous limitation of relying solely on pre-2021 data. Users can initiate web searches within ChatGPT either automatically based on their queries or manually by selecting the search option. The AI then summarizes the gathered information, includes links to the original sources, ensuring transparency and allowing the users to verify the information. This development positions ChatGPT as a direct competitor to traditional search engines like Google and Microsoft's Bing, offering a more conversational and interactive approach to information retrieval. OpenAI has partnered with various news organizations to enhance the accuracy and reliability of the information provided through ChatGPT search. Currently, ChatGPT search is available to ChatGPT Plus and Team users, with plans to expand access to all users in the coming months. Amazing. There you have it. You actually have the sources there. If we actually click on them, it'll actually open up a link to that page, which I think is neat. That way, those guys also still get the traffic and it's not robbing them of their traffic. Which one gets placed first? That's interesting to see how it's actually ranking that. OpenAI launched ChatGPT search. This positions the company to be at a better standpoint against competition such as Google, Microsoft Bing, and Perplexity. And Perplexity is awesome. If you haven't used it, go check it out. The release could have implications for Google as the dominant search engine. Google might be out of the water right now. This is a pond that turned into an ocean, and it's for the big fish. As we see, this release could have implications for Google as the dominant search engine. Since the launch of ChatGPT in November 2022, Alphabet investors have been concerned that OpenAI could take market share from Google in search by giving consumers new ways to seek information online. Shares of Alphabet were down 1% following the news. Google is right now pulling out their hair, trying to figure out how is it going to compete against OpenAI. OpenAI is literally taking a seat back. The wind is blowing in its hair, and it understands this is the vision, this is what we're going to do, and no one's going to get in our way. But don't be surprised here if we end up seeing ads with our ChatGPT chatbot. Next thing to forecast is e-commerce within ChatGPT. Anytime anything happens with AI and you need to know right away, I'll let you know so that you don't end up a tech dinosaur. Please subscribe.